Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix PayPal Quick Security Check. PayPal implements these checks to confirm it's truly you accessing your account, safeguarding against unauthorized use. They often appear when unusual activity is detected, such as logging in from a new device or a different geographical location. This essential process helps protect your financial information, combat potential fraud, and maintain the overall security and integrity of the platform for everyone. Understanding why these checks occur is the first step to resolving them efficiently. If you encounter a quick security check, don't worry, there are several simple steps to try first. Begin by clearing your web browser's cookies and cache, then try logging in again. Sometimes, switching to a different device, like your smartphone, or using an alternative browser can resolve the issue. Also, ensure your registered phone number and email address are completely up to date within your PayPal account settings, as these are crucial for verification codes. When basic troubleshooting doesn't work, you might need more advanced solutions. If you're not receiving verification codes, reach out to your mobile phone carrier to ensure short-code text messaging is enabled. You may also be prompted to verify your identity by answering security questions or confirming details of a linked credit card. Additionally, temporarily disabling any virtual private networks or browser extensions can often resolve conflicts causing the security check. If you've tried all the previous steps and are still facing issues, it's time to contact PayPal support directly. After several unsuccessful attempts, it's often best to wait 24 hours before trying again. When you call, have your registered phone number, details of a linked bank account or credit card, and your email address readily available. You can find their contact information by navigating to the Contact Us section on the official PayPal website.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.